Hello, welcome on Ladder. I'm Snehal. In today's session, let's see how to modify data types. There is inbuilt function called int in the Python to convert data into the integer. So form is int and parenthesis. You have to enter what variable you want to convert into integer inside this parenthesis. As we know, input function takes user input in the form of string. So let's convert that into the integer. I'm entering one variable. It's 202. So its by default type was string, and after applying int parenthesis, its class is integer. Similarly, we can convert any variable into the string. Let's say I have variable called var2 that is 45, and syntax is same. I want to convert that into string. So there is inbuilt function in Python str, and inside that str you will write what variable you have to convert into the string. So I have written str and inside the parenthesis variable 2. Let's run this. See, before the class was integer and after conversion the class is string.